Photosynthesis overview. Photosynthesis produces about 130 billion tons of oxygen every year. It removes billions of tons of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Every breath you take, every bite you eat, it all comes from one important process called photosynthesis. Plants, algae, and some bacteria use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. It happens in two stages, the light reactions and the light-independent reactions. Light reactions occur in the thylakoid membranes. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight. This energy splits water molecules, releasing oxygen as a byproduct. The energy is stored in ATP and NADPH. Then come the light-independent or dark reactions, also called the Kelvin cycle. They don't need light directly. They use the ATP and NADPH to convert carbon dioxide into glucose. For every 6 carbon dioxide molecules fixed, 1 glucose is made. Plants do this constantly during daylight. A single leaf can fix billions upon billions of carbon dioxide molecules every single second. Life on Earth depends on this process. Without photosynthesis, we wouldn't exist.